I don't know what to expect. You know, as far as the equipment goes, these guys are not willing to fail. So they want to win as bad as I do. And even if there have been moments where it's like, yeah, what have I gotten myself into? It's like quickly met with, no, we have a solution for this. And I think that's kind of the coolest part of this whole program. Is like, there's nothing stopping these guys from getting the job done.
When you see a bagger, you think someone cruising down the highway, you know, feet up, laid back, taking it easy. And then you translate it over to this and you see, oh my gosh, this is not taking it easy.
Taking your production, you know, bagger touring models that you see on the streets every day and seeing what we can really get out of them on the racetrack.
Seeing a bike come down the corkscrew and flying through the corners, coming down rainy, that's just not normal, but it's awesome to see. And it's amazing the fact that, yeah, these bikes can do it if you set them up right and you really get the right rider on it.
Make the geometry more stable.
Right.
But where it is, statically, it needs a 200.
I really do like developing motorcycles, and that's really what the job is. You know, it's so little of it is racing.
What we're doing out here in Laguna Seca and what we're trying to get at is obviously understanding how the bike behaves, but really we also want a measuring stick.
It's hard to have really a gauge on where we are competitively without coming to a racetrack that King of the Baggers raced at here in October. So we have target lap times, and really we're out here to try to measure against that, but also verify the changes we've made since we were at APG.
The stock bike we're starting with is a 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide. It's our fixed fairing touring motorcycle.
It's amazingly has a lot of power. Actually riding it more like a super bike than I am like a middleweight bike, just based on the nature of how it comes off the corner.
He's pushing. I see the lean angle he's getting out of the bike, and I've actually made comments to him about like, you're a better man than me. I don't want to lean it over that far.
Yeah, so we took and fully billeted the primary cover here to give it max lean angle clearance. We got numbers anywhere from 50 to 55 degrees off the track where he's at. The fact that he's using it all, we should have known that with the rider his caliber. He'll take the bike as far as it'll go.
The thing about testing is that you have to be at the limit, otherwise the feedback you give is not relevant. So we need to go out here and figure out where the ceiling is.
The combination of having a rider that can tell you what he needs, and then deciphering what that is with the data that you have, and then using that to make the design direction change, makes the most out of the next change you're going to make. Because as you can see, we don't get to be out on the track all day, all the time. So every time you're out there, you need to have a targeted purpose. And all that data helps drive what that targeted purpose is.
Did you take preload out?
10 turns out. Because I want to go down in spring rate. So in order to make that judgment call the correct direction or not, you can't do a quarter turn at a time.
How much?
I didn't hear what he said. But
Did he say down?
Yep, we got drops.
It's quiet. I don't like quiet. Don't like quiet.
You know, we've got Road Atlanta, Road America up in Wisconsin in Harley's backyard, and then we've got the last round here at Laguna Seca. The 3 rounds are really great tracks, really fun tracks that I really enjoy riding at, and I feel privileged to be in this position. I feel privileged to have the pressure of, hey, like when the lights go out and the race starts, like it's time to get the job done.